Hello everyone, my name is Thomas and welcome back to my Leathercraft channel. Today I'm going to talk about the problem every beginner leather crafter has faced, how to punch even stitching holes on the backside of your craft. When I first started, this was my number one struggle. I tried all sorts of methods, I even tried attaching pricking irons to an arbor press, but nothing worked. Over the years, I came out with a technique that always gives me clean, even holes on the backside, no matter what shape of pricking irons you use. I'm really happy with the results and I think you will find it helpful too. For my crafts, I use 4 mm step diamond shaped pricking irons from KS Blade. Alright, here I have already made a leather craft to the point where holes must be punched. First I mark the holes with the pricking iron to check if the last hole lines up perfectly with the first. If not, I make small adjustments. Then I hold the pricking iron straight and punch very gently. Beginners often just smash it once and hope the tips will come out neatly. But if you have tried, you know that not always happens. Instead, make several light punches. With each one, check where the tips are starting to appear on a backside. If they line up with the groove or the guideline you have scratched along the edge, that's perfect. Then just give one more punch to let the tips go through. As you can see, I don't use much force. The tips only need to pop out slightly, and that's enough for stitching. If you notice the tips aren't going to come out in the center, you can adjust by leaning the pricking iron slightly before making the final punch. Recently, KS Blade released reverse diamond pricking irons in 4 mm step. I picked up one right away because I'd been thinking for years to improve my backside stitching hole this way. I just finished the holes with the reverse pricking irons by hand. It's not necessary step with reverse pricking iron, it will work even without, but just one step closer to the perfection. Isn't the fastest method, but leathercraft is not about the speed, it's about the quality, in my understanding. With practice, the speed will come natural. The key point is don't rush, point gently and give yourself space to adjust. If you will miss significantly even once, you will be unable to fix it and the stitch on the backside will look ugly. I hope this was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate your support to my channel. You can get PDF templates and order crafts at my webshop strhandmade.com. That's it from me today. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet already. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!